What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rambling Garage. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Ram. I have the carbon exhaust on that truck, and I have the progressive system, which is supposed to be pretty mellow, but as you guys can probably tell in the title or the thumbnail, I'm going to be changing that up to go with the MagnaFlow, just to be a little bit quieter and a little bit less raspy. So, if we take a look down here, next to all my other stuff, we have the MagnaFlow. So really nice muffler. I've actually never had anything MagnaFlow before, but you take a look at that. Their welds look pretty quality, and their bends look good and everything. And as you can see, we got the sandals on, so that means we're ready to get down, get stuff going. And we're gonna actually flip the truck around here, put it up on a couple ramps so we have some more space, and get to work. So let's do that. Alright guys, so I switched to the GoPro here just because it's a little easier being wide angle under the truck here, but if we look up there, we have two, let me see what size those are because I forget, they are two 15mm bolts on the clamps there, and we got another one here. So you do the rears first, let the tailpipes hang, and I have a box back there to actually catch them, and then we'll do this one and hammer it off. I'm not going to show you guys that because it seems kind of like a waste of time to me, so we'll get these popped off. And then we'll get the other muffler ready to go. And of course, the no muffler video is always required. Alright, so we have the MagnaFlow in there with that. Just gotta clamp this down. One thing I've heard is that MagnaFlow will not warranty these clamps if you over torque. So make sure you use the correct torque rating, which is a lot. That'll do. Alright guys, so I got the carbon off there. You got the MagnaFlow on there. Hopefully you can see it. Take a look back at the tips. Get them pretty even. I think I need to pull that one, the right side, out just a little bit. But let's give this thing its first startup. That seems much better. I'll put the camera down and we'll get a couple revs out of it. It's a little more tame. Still sounds like a truck, but I think it should be a little less obnoxious. Definitely a lot more tame. We'll get it out on the road and get some driving videos so we can let you guys hear it. Alright guys, so there you have it on the MagnaFlow direct replacement muffler for my 2017 Ram. I'll put the years that it fits in the description below along with the part numbers. I like the exhaust, it sounds good, it's a little more quiet, it doesn't open up as much as the Carbon Progressive. That being said, it has a lot less drone, but it still does have drone about 70 to 80 miles per hour. And when I got the exhaust, it was pretty quiet. It has since opened up. The driving and GoPro videos that you see since it has opened up, it's gotten a little bit louder. So I would recommend it if you're looking for something with not a whole lot of drone. The noise level is probably something close to the Corsa that I have on the WS6 there. Doesn't sound as refined in my opinion, but it does sound pretty good on the truck. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask below. If you guys are here for the bikes or the car, I just got that out this weekend. It will be getting some videos here soon. I want to do some more Corsa videos and like drive-bys and stuff, kind of like the truck, to give you guys an idea of what that sounds like. I also want to do a review of this thing 20 years later, technically 21. Also the bikes, this one waiting on some parts. I'll have an update video soon. The Z90 we've been ripping around all weekend, and I'll get some more video of that. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, Rambler's coming home soon as well. So again, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.